Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq, with daily insight on the Nasdaq-100 index, or the NDX, which is made up of 100 of the largest domestic and international non-financial innovative companies listed right here on the Nasdaq stock market. The NDX has been the barometer for U.S. large cap growth and also one of the best performing indexes over the last decade and a half, not to mention one of the most liquid index ecosystems in the world. Let's take a look at our first chart today with just under 2 hours to go until U.S. stocks close. On this Wednesday, February 13th, the Nasdaq-100 is trading about 0.2% higher after being down nearly 1% in the futures this morning as the death and new case count continues to tick higher with the coronavirus. The International Energy Agency lowered its oil demand growth outlook to the lowest since 2011 due to the impact of the virus. Meanwhile, France calculates that the deadly virus outbreak in China will shave at least 1 percentage point off the growth this year of the world's second largest economy, hurting global economic growth as well. Speaking of a comeback, let's look at the next chart. This is shares of Tesla. The company announced a $2 billion common stock offering just 2 weeks after CEO Elon Musk and Tesla said they would not take advantage of surging stock price to raise more capital. Shares initially fell after the announcement, as they usually do with a stock offering, dropping as much as 6% in pre-market trading, reversed those losses and climbed to as high as 6% intraday, as analysts and investors could have cheered this move as a way to shore up its balance sheet and possibly further its expansion plans. On the earnings front, Nasdaq-100 Pepsi reported a solid quarter before the open this morning. Strong performances in North American beverage and snack divisions, but weaker than expected 2020 guidance was issued. After the close, the following Nasdaq-100 companies report. We have Expedia, Insight, Kraft Heinz, Liberty, and NVIDIA. From the Nasdaq market site in New York City, I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq.